No, your doctor tell you that herpes caused from a virus. Come here. Me go show you something. Look here. See what it means in my entomology dictionary. Alright, and already? Our search bar there. Alright, so herpes, and here goes. Late 14C, mean 14th century, any inflammatory spreading skin condition, use of shingles, gangrene, etc. From Latin herpes, a spreading skin eruption. Eruption, from Greek herpes, the name from the disease shingle, literally mean creeping. Other word for creeping is crawling, from the root word herpine, to creep, what crawl, no insect, no parasites, move slowly. See this cognate with Latin serper, whatever that word means, to creep. Or the nether word means serpent. What is a serpent? An entity with entire body. The condition was not there distinguished into specific disease until early 19th century, meaning it was not a disease. They know it was a serpent. Yo, me move on. Alright, so all we do over here, so we have a package that is called the herpes package on the website and also locally here in Jamaica. What we do, we give an extensive dewormer, which consists of some of the most powerful herbs and for move worm, like Guinean weed, like quaco, like marigold, and the list goes on and on. And we combine them there and create a tincture. What we do, we extend the period. We give you a heavy metal detox. We remove the mercury from your brain, because they become so intelligent based on how they build them, where when you take a dewormer, they smell it in your blood and jump in your bloodstream and swim to the back of your head where there is a gap and jump over your nervous system, where your nervous system trap mercury. Mercury always lodge over there if you're using deodorant with aluminum, or you're eating these food, or just aluminum oxide from bauxite in Jamaica. And what they do, they hide behind and they hibernate and wait until the deworm or the parasite cleanse is being gone and wear out of the system, then jump out back to play, multiply, and be the host in your body. Yes, they use your body as a host and control what you eat. They love milk, cheese, butter. Milk, cheese, butter from animals, meat, bread, rice. They love sugar. So anything that is synthetic, we also give a meal plan, a nutritional schedule where you should hide away from, so that they may come out and get hungry and move out of the body and do not want to stay anymore. People, listen to me. The medical industry don't want this video. Share it before they delete it. I'm out of here. Yeah, man. Herpes is curable. The next thing, what I want to understand is in Jamaica the other day, they just introduced a vaccine and make it mandated for all of your children, them, yes, in our age school, called HPV. Now, when we were going to school, we learned about vaccine in animals, and the definition of a vaccine is a mild form of the same virus. So listen to me now, my friend. What you need to understand is that through they inject in you and claiming that this herpes caused from a virus, what they actually inject in you is worm eggs. Yes, the worm eggs that cause the herpes. So all your children, them, when they grow up and in their teens or adults, they are gonna have breakouts every now and again. And then you go here, so they have HPV, HSP, whatever you want to call it, them label it, all of them come under herpes. And I don't tell you what I mean. Herpine, meaning what? Crawling, creeping, serpent. Me just show you it. So yo, wake up, my people. Yeah, man, me not beg enough to buy from me, but seek ye first the kingdom of heaven. See your heaven, yeah, in the whole by your book. Your heaven, your brain, follow your intuition and your heart, and then everything, man, say you fi believe, because the word believe has L-I-E in it, which mean lie. You no need to wake up. You understand? Yeah, man. And follow on the scripture. God help those who help themselves. Medicine woman, Me feel like me constipated, like me can't shit, and I would like something to remove all worms and also at the same time clean my colon from all shit when me have clogging on my body.
Colon cleanse.
Woo!
And don't forget the heavy metal detox. It's a binder. It binds the parasite, remove it from the body safely.